Egretia ICO Review. Good afternoon, friends. Today I'll tell you about a very promising ICO project, Egretia. Egretia is the world's first engine and blockchain platform with the introduction of HTML5. It will allow you to quickly and easily create games using the Egretia Lab toolset, and also a solution for development of the gaming industry. First, let's understand what HTML5 is. HTML5 is the result of the evolution of HTML. The first version of HTML5 was released in 2008, but only in 2011 its official release took place. With the advantage of HTML5, along with new components and API, a successful replacement of flash technologies began. In addition to text related to the design of the web page, HTML5 is also used to create graphics libraries that help create 2D and 3D games. Today, the most popular browsers such as Chrome, Firefox, Opera, IE, and others support HTML5. This has become a very important event in the field of the web technologies. The main advantage of HTML5 is device independence. The difference between programming language and platform is that many developers are forced to study them before creating products based on them. Therefore, HTML5 is a way out of this situation. HTML5 technology covers not only the sphere of games, but also such areas as advertising, video, and other IT industry. The cross-platform nature of the technology allows it to be used in different spheres, creating entirely new business models. But despite the presence of a large number of significant advantages, HTML5 has some limitations. Lack of single and secure payment platform. Lack of mechanics of secure store of user virtual assets. There are cases of fraud in the game process, and there is also no effective protection of intellectual property. Young and talented developers often cannot enter the market, as they are forced to resort to expensive service of flash providers, intermediaries, etc., without having a value reward. Therefore, the authors of the project Egretia decide to create a platform which will solve all the exciting problems in the gaming industry and help the development of the game industry as a whole. The project is implemented by the Singapore company Egretia Technologies and the Team Egretia Blockchain Lab, whose main members work with such technological giants as Qualcomm, Adobe, Microsoft, etc. The project is also attended by competent experts in the field of blockchain technology. Egretia Technologies for 4 years built the world's first full-fledged and complete HTML5 workflow, covering 14 technical products: Egretia Engine, Egretia Wind, Dragon Bones, and Egretia Runtime, etc. Today, Egretia has already taken the lead of the areas of app, marketing, animations, O2O, and e-commerce. The Egretia team, Peter Hunt, is the founder of the project, serial entrepreneur, former technical manager of Adobe Flash, has 18 years of experience in development and management in Internet application and game projects. Dirk Meyer is the co-founder, Senior Program Manager, Digital Media, BO, PMO in Adobe, with more than 20 years of experience managing global projects. Is a technology advocate and investor. Jim Mann is an expert on tools, an entrepreneur, senior employee, Qualcomm, an engineer, has its own business focuses on consulting software and solutions, working in Microsoft, Upside, etc. He created Fast for Train Comply for Intel, AMD, while working in OxFox as Director of Compiler Development. Ross Persubilski has over 15 years of software development experience and 10 years of experience in developing excellent games. The project also has a very experienced advisors, as well as major strategic partners. This indicates a high level of reliability of the project by combining a wide range of tools and complex chain technology on a single platform. Egretia will provide developers with a complete ecosystem for the full creation of high-quality gaming content. Advantage of Egretia: high performance. The use of the DPoS mechanisms will support more than 2,000 transactions per second already on the test version of the platform. In the future, this parameter will be increased in accordance with the needs of the user. The setting of parameters in real time. Egretia will be able to change parameters of the system without bifurcations by voting based on consequence. A convenient and efficient development package. Using the blockchain interface layer and the tools of the Egretia mechanisms, developers can quickly create blockchain-based apps. Built-in game development window and clever coding help. Transfer of ownership of game items, assets, and game characters from the developer and the user, having unique ID for each user. Implementing an affordable and secure micropayment system for gaming trading. Users will have access to a digital wallet that will serve as a safe platform for all HTML5 based on blockchain applications. Transfer a digital asset of the user from one game project to another. Development of an effective economic game system prevents frauds. The Egretia platform will use the Egretia token. It will be used by players for the safe and efficient trading of virtual goods in the gaming world. It will be circulated in HTML5 projects. It will be the first digital coin in the world to be used in various gaming projects. It should also be noted that Egretia Lab has already entered into a strategic partnership with the world's famous developers of support games, Gala Sport. Gala Sport will use Egretia blockchain technology for its game, which will increase the security of game and the popularity of Egretia tokens around the world. The type of the ICO. The author of the project intends to sell EGT tokens in two stages, the exact date of which has not yet been determined. Total number of tokens 10 million. Standard token ERC20. Accepted currency ETH. Course 1 ETH 120,000 EGT and 90,000 EGT, first and second stage respectively. Haircut 20,000 ETH and 50,000 ETH, first and second stage respectively. Token distributions. Development team 22%, sales 53%, ecosystem development 10%, reserve funds 5%, strategic partners and advisors 10%. Thus, both HTML5 and blockchain technologies are innovative and relevant, and its advances in each other they will create a truly revolutionary and very profiling product. Users and developers around the world will appreciate the Egretia platform and its capabilities. A more detailed description of the project you will find in the white paper.